friends, it's Emma from Learn and Dance. Come, join me to make learning fun today.
A is for apple, B is for bubble, C is for candle, coo. Fly with the phoenix, up we go. D is for dragon, E is for eagle, F is for fire, The phoenix glows with flames so bright. Learn the sounds and clap along. Phoenix sings our letter song. Flames that sparkle, wings that shine. A, B, C in a fiery rhyme. G is for garden, ga. H is for hat, ha. I is for igloo, e. Let's soar higher, don't be slow. J is for jelly, ja. K is for kite, ka. L is for lion, lur. The phoenix roars and takes its flight. M is for monkey, ma. N is for nest, na. O is for ocean, oh. Waves rise up, then down they flow. P is for parrot, pa. Q is for quail, kwuh. R is for rainbow, rrr. Colors shine as the phoenix soars. S is for sunshine, T is for tiger, ta. U is for umbrella, Raindrops fall but we stay dry. V is for violin, v. W is for whale, wah. X is for xylophone, x. The phoenix dances, hear the tune. Y is for yo-yo, ya. Z is for zebra, za. Now we've learned from A to Z. Sing again and fly with me. Learn the sounds and clap along. Phoenix sings our letter song. Flames that sparkle, wings that shine. A, B, C in a fiery rhyme.
Hi friends, it's Emma. It was fun learning and singing the phonics song today. Hope you all had fun with me. Don't forget to subscribe so you can sing and learn with us every day.